Auntie, they should be standing on something and aiming at something. Not at animals, though.
Correct.
Like aiming at a dart thing.
Yeah, yeah.
A dart. That is perfect. Yes, absolute yes. You want to go down there first or hike here first?
What do you want to do?
Down here.
Okay.
Just watch out for thorns.
Yes, baby. You look good.
Remember the fence?
Yes.
Thorns. Right?
Mhm.
This is really pretty. What is that? Mushy squishy. I don't know how to Okay.
Yes, baby.
You can walk around that way to get there.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of jumping over the fence. That's
Beautiful thing.
a cool trail. Watch out for thorns.
Thank you, you too.
I know. I saw a thorn, but it's
A honky-tonk-a-tonk.
Actually,
Huh.
no one's playing in the sand.
Nope.
But someone is walking on
People are paddleboarding.
Wait, do you see something over there? Get to the sand. And doing Simon not get fishing with me.
Yeah.
But Mama can try.
Mama can metal detect.
Yeah. She's gonna look at the sand too.
Oh, I don't think she brought her stick metal detector though.
Dawn.
And I will tell you, I used to fish in there very often. Very often. I've gone over 20, 30, 50 times.
Aunt.
Every single time I've caught bass.
Aunt.
100%.
Aunt.
Hmm.
This like will catch something. What is no random?
No good. And Spanioli.
Spanish.
Espanioli.
What is that? That's a wrecked up. Look, there's people.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we got a can, honey.
Oh, look at that cute dog in that little bowl.
I know. Aw.
This went through some garbage. There's a bottle over there too.
I love kids that size.
It was really funny, but they jumped over it. They're really sneaky.
All right.
Yeah.
Yes, honey.
Stop here.
Yes.
Wherever you are.
Yes, love. Let's go right over here.
Stop there.
We're going to go to this.
I do feel like getting.
Whoa.
How is a tiny kid on 2 wheels?
You got to practice and get on 2 wheels. That looks fun. Oh, be careful, love. You got it? He's going to fall. So this trail goes down here. See that?
Yeah, but.
And then it goes in there. You can go in there.
Yeah.
At least they're not quitting. They're going.
There we are.
Watch where you're walking. People don't pick up their dog poop, so. I'm gonna go clean the bottom of my shoes.
Writing. And people write and random stuff. And they're still writing.
I know it.
Look it.
I know it.
Look, it drives me nuts. Look. It drives me.
Mariah
Look.
doesn't exist. Raya rules. Rest in peace, Mariah. What? Here, let's go think about that guy for a minute.
Never walk in this grass when
We've never been this far.
Hold on.
Do you know if we can make it?
Yeah, we can make it.
We're gonna get wet this fall.
Yes.
What
Which is
happened if
50
we're
minutes.
late?
Depends on how many cars are in the parking lot. If it was just like one car, they'd probably lock it. Careful how you're unraveling. Alright. I don't know how deep this is.
What if it's really, really deep?
Let's take a peek.
It's really deep. Be
Yeah, I
careful.
can't even see the bottom. Holy crap. Now watch, Mom. Remember, never have a hook around your wrist or you can go flying in with it.
Yeah, you'll never be seen again.
There, that was a good chuck, right?
Ready?
The professional magnet thrower.
Well, I should be on this side.
Yes.
Yeah, so.
Never have it. And never have, look, watch on the ground.
Yeah.
Never step in something like that. That could take you right in. Cold over there, though. Oh, how cool. This thing's been here for years and years. It looks so cool. Whoa. The beach is covered up today. Fucking cool tree, dude. Sick. Here we are, buddy. Me and you. Thank you for letting me sit on you. Okay, now listen. Yeah, just listen. Nature sings, y'all. We just stopped listening. Thank you. God, it sounds so beautiful. Oh, I could cry. Nature singing. Oh my God. They're so singing in there. Thank you. There's my most beautiful thing. There's so much song right here.
It's gonna make something really, really satisfying. Look, ready?
Doink
Look,
doink. Ooh, that is pretty.
Look.
Wicked pretty.
You see it?
Yeah.
It's a big circle.
It's like a perfect circle, huh?
Yeah, but we have to head out now.
Doesn't nature do cool stuff?